Alright. Got part 1 and 2 done. Go outside, Cooper. Well, go outside. Well, everybody, I can safely say now today, as of Thursday, June 29th, the day is now done. So now I got tomorrow, which is all this second line section here, and then I got Saturday. Obviously, I'll be feeding them and swapping them the first couple times. Well, however long it takes for them to get back, really. I'm not like gonna be like, oh, I'm gonna fucking do this at 4 o'clock and then I'm out, I'm done. No, I'm not gonna do that. I'm gonna stick with these boys until they come back. You know, but I can safely now say Thursday, June 29th is now done, thankfully. So, yeah, day number 6 is officially completed now. So, yeah, these videos are gonna take so long to upload, but it's 9 o'clock now. I got Levi away. Cooper? Oh, it's the TV. Oh, it's Order 66. I love Star Wars. I hate this scene so much. They murdering all the Jedi. Tank? Why are they killing the Jedi? Don't worry. I'm not a crazy Star Wars fan, but I only love Star Wars because I grew up watching all the movies. The 6 movies. And then obviously the Disney movies in theaters. I never saw Solo in theaters, and I never saw Rogue One in theaters as well. So, hey, calm down, you two. I need to lock the door. They were gonna play, but they tend to play a little too hard, and then they start fucking beefing, and it's just like, no, don't start with that. All right, so your boy's gone outside, so I'm gonna start closing up shop. Because, I just want to get to tomorrow. Oh, go outside then, dude. Go outside. Go use the bathroom. Go on, Tank. Come on, Tinky. Come on, Tank. Come on. You go outside, go enjoy, go play. Now you can beat the crap out of Cooper. I'm joking. Out here. Yep, final shot of the sunset. The lighting on this phone is kind of stupid sometimes, but yeah, once again, it's always going to be over there behind that tree. So, hey, get off of him. Tank, get off of him. I caught that shit on camera. Tank was trying to fucking hump him. You see what I mean? Like what the fuck? I don't know what Tank... What is he, gay for Cooper now? That was like a joking question, but at the same time, I'm actually fucking dead serious. But then again, Cooper tried to do the same thing, but then Cooper's like, get off of me, bro. So obviously none of them like it to take it from behind, which I don't blame them. No. But still, I don't know what it is with dogs just doing that to other dogs. Just watching Cooper try to run from Tank doing that. But it's just like, don't do that, Tank. Don't do that. But, 501st Battalion. Yeah, that's so sad. Oh, you boys coming in already? Come on. Fun fact, that little boy right there, I'm pretty sure that's George Lucas's son, if I'm correct. Yeah. Tank, come on, bud. Come on, buddy. Come on. Cooper, you want to go outside one more time? If not, please don't shit in the house, man. Don't shit in the house. Okay, buddy? Don't shit in the house. For the love of God, don't shit in this house. Because the night before last, he took 2, like, you know, typical dog pile, you know, easily pick upable with a napkin. And the second one was a bigger, much more easier to pick up monstrosity. Thankfully, it was not on the rug. It was on the hardwood floor because they ripped the rug out of the ground and it's just like a hardwood floor. And he took a shit right on that floor where they rip it out of the ground. So obviously I cleaned it up as best as I could. And I, hey, Tank, knock it off. And, you know, they're going to replace the floors anyway, but I really hope he doesn't do it again. Which I highly doubt he will, because that was just that one night. He didn't do it before. So, yeah, might as well just let him enjoy a little longer. And then that's it, I'm going in. So, Tank, don't do it. Don't do it, boys. Don't let him get you from behind, dude. I mean it. Tank, don't do it. Tank. Get off of him, Tank. Stop it. Damn it. What are you doing, dude? What are you doing, dude? What are you trying to do to him? He's not a woman, bro, and you're fixed. Are you guys fixed? I can't even fucking tell. I'm not gonna look. But, I mean, I never see no balls. Not that I looked. Pause. Traps? Women? Okay, but for real though, I don't know why he keeps doing that. Like, seriously. I really have no idea why he keeps trying to hump Cooper. Like, where is this coming from, Tank? Why are you doing this, man? I don't know if I could even put that as a title, you know, hey, Tank tries to hump Cooper, because YouTube might take that as a sexual thing there, so I don't know. I'll put a funny little title, I guess. So, anyway. Yeah, boys, if you guys aren't going to use the bathroom, they might as well come on in. Come on. Come on, boys. Let's go inside. See? Look at how he runs. Just really, really slowly. Kind of like how Harley used to run. Just very slow. Yeah. Alright, so don't try to fucking hump him while I go upstairs. So, yep. I'm leaving the AC and all that on. I'll get your meds ready for tomorrow, Tank. And then I wish there was a light. One, two, three. Okay. Yeah. I ain't got food for you guys. I'm just getting ready to hit the hay. I'll replay this movie tomorrow. Some practical jokers now. Earlier they had golf on. That shit was boring. Tank, that shit was boring. But I'm gonna hit the hay move. Alright, so Bozy. Turn that off. Unless that automatically turns off. Let me try something. Either way, I'm pretty sure it turns off on its own, but I'm turning it off anyway. So. Alright, boys. You guys be good boys. Rest well. I'm gonna go to bed now. So, those doors are closed. That door is locked. The back door is locked. Alright, I don't want nobody in this house at all. Obviously, because nobody's really wanted here. Except for the owners themselves. No offense to the family, but even I really don't want anyone like Victoria or Gabby around these dogs. Because these dogs do not know them. Oh, boys. What are you... Yeah, y'all lay down. Yeah. They're both gonna follow me up there. Get on. Come on. Move. 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 Oh. These boys have been so good to me all week so far. Alright, you boys. Rest well. I'm hitting the hay. Pretty sure that's... Oops, I'm pretty sure the gate's locked. Yeah, it's locked. So... back to the room I go. Once again. So anyway, yeah, day 6 is complete. On to day 7. You know, it may look like 7 days of being here, you know, Saturday, all the way to Saturday. Yes, it's a full 7 days. Saturday, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. So, yeah, from Saturday, starting at that Saturday, 7 days ahead of that Saturday is 7 days. So Sunday to Saturday really is 7 days. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. So, you know, that's why I'm counting it as 8 days. Because, you know, Saturday was the first full day, all the way to Saturday, which is the 8th day. Again, it's really hot in here, so... I have my ways of staying cool. So, yeah. It's like every day now that we get closer and closer into the summertime, it's just gonna get hot in here. So, just gonna make sure my car is locked so nobody can get into it. Yep. Locked it for real. Yeah, I'll stay up a little later to kind of keep an eye on things till like 10. You know, I can stay up till around 10ish. So I don't know, just to keep an eye on things. You know, I don't need any kids dinking around on my, car, especially. Their house with my car, of course. So, anyway, yeah, I'm gonna go now for real. I'm gonna get ready to kind of just hang out in here, get ready for bed soon. So, yes, thank you for staying tuned to my series. I know I don't have a lot of people watching these videos, not even 10 views on any of my videos. My videos have not been really that big since my Beretta video and the videos kind of after, but I don't know. These videos are just for whoever stays tuned. I'm not expecting a small subscribed YouTuber or I'm not even a YouTuber at all. I don't even want to claim that. I just enjoy making videos. I've always loved making videos, so anyway, yep, till another video tomorrow. Probably gonna get some McDonald's for breakfast or Burger King, most likely McDonald's, maybe for lunch, and then I'll get another thing of Burger King and see how much I have on my cards again. I'm not sure. So, yep. Till another video tomorrow. And all my videos aren't going to be uploaded until tomorrow because the Wi-Fi here isn't really that great. And then my data is over the limit now, so it's like super slow. So, it's pooey, but it'll reset on the 17th, so I'm not tripping. But anyway, so, yep. For right now, till a whole nother video down the line. Bye for now.